Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the Course Motorsports phone mount for, I believe, 96 to 04 Ford Mustangs, and this might just be the best phone mount for the 96 to 04 Mustang platform. So we're going to go ahead and put that in, and we'll see how it is. Okay, so you pretty much just want to go ahead and remove your two dash trims here, the one that goes around the shifter and then the one that goes around your radio, so your radio bezel. I didn't unplug anything, I'm just going to slide it right back in after. It's not in the way. So then afterwards, there's these 7 mils up here along your climate control that you want to take out. In the Course Motorsports box, they give you a magnet, or multiple magnets actually, and then this is what it actually mounts onto right here. So it's just a basic magnetic mount. It's pretty strong. And they give you an Allen key and then a pivot ball head that would go on the back of this thing, so you can kind of rotate it once it's on. And they also give you an alcohol pad to clean the back of your phone, I'm assuming. But we're gonna go ahead and set this up. So this is the mount itself right here, as you can see. So I believe it'll sit just like this. It'll go right in there. And they're smart about this because they actually did put a piece of foam right on the back of this. And that's just so it's not so hard on this plastic surface right here. And this could be mounted on either side as well. Like, if you'd really like, you can mount it on the driver's side as well. I just find this side would be a little bit easier. If I need to click on the map or whatever, it's just going to be with my right hand. Perfect, so this is going in no problem whatsoever. And this has got to be the most straightforward install. Anybody could do this, it's so easy. And I'm just going to get it nice and snug right back in there. Just so it's kind of pressed up against this, but you know, it's not gonna go anywhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we can put this back on. I think I might have dropped the clip out of this, to be honest, but we'll see. We're about to find out. There we go. Boom, look at that, right back in there. And then we'll throw this back on. There we go. Just like that. Perfect. I'm gonna assume the next step is to put this this ball onto this thread right here. Okay guys, so I got this thing fully assembled. For some reason my GoPro just randomly stopped recording, and by the time I was editing, that is when I realized. But yeah, this basically just pops on, and you tighten it down with this right here, and then you can kind of just pivot this magnetic head to how you want it. So it works great. I've been driving around with it for about 2 days now, I think. This would be the second day on, and it just pops right on like that, and it sits perfectly. It is not in the way at all. It is great fitment. And I think it's pretty awesome for, I think I paid actually less than $45 US. It was on sale when I bought it. But yeah, like, it holds up pretty good considering this car is riding on coilovers, and it does get a little bit bumpy sometimes. And my phone hasn't fallen down once yet. So I think if you just want the plain magnetic mount, this is like a perfect option. And this is hands down the best phone mount. But yeah, this is the best bang for your buck. You're not going to get anything better than this. Like, the dash mounts and the window mounts, they'll always come undone no matter what. This is never going to fall out, alright? Like, that is not going nowhere. It's not like it's sitting in your vent and, like, this can't fall out of your vent. So, it's bolted in there. It's good. I think this is great, and I just think I should mention that Course Motorsports did not contact me to make this video or anything. I'm just showing off the product because I like it. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and a subscription. I will see you guys all next time.